Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the previous lecture, we were discussing about the statement of BPT. The statement of basic proportionality theorem is, if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. This means that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. We have to prove that this ratio AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. To prove this, it is our construction that we join point Q and point B. Draw segment BQ. Now observe the two triangles. This is triangle PAQ, first triangle, and second triangle is PQB. PQB. Our first triangle is APQ and second triangle is PQB. Now this line, suppose this is line M, this is line M. This line M is parallel to side AB. Now these two triangles, our first triangle and our second triangle, these are between these two parallel lines, therefore they have same heights. And if we take areas of these two triangles in ratio, then the ratio of the areas of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Construction. Our construction is, draw segment PC. Draw segment PC and BQ. Segment BQ. Now proof. In triangle APQ and this first triangle APQ and triangle BPQ, area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle BPQ is equal to AP upon PB. AP upon PB. This is our equation number 1. Since triangles have same heights. Similarly, this is our second triangle. Ratio of areas of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQC. PQC is equal to AQ, base of the first triangle, divided by QC base of the second triangle. This is our equation number 2. Since triangles have same heights. Now observe the two triangles BPQ and triangle PQC. Line L or line PQ is parallel to side BC. Therefore, these two triangles have same height, and these two triangles have same base, that is PQ. And we know that when there are two triangles such that they have same base as well as same height, then we can write area of triangle BPQ is equal to area of triangle PQC. This is our equation number 3. Now from equation 1, 2 and 3, area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle BPQ is equal to area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQC from 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Because in any two equation, if left hand sides are same, then their right hand sides are also same. Hence, proved. Now this is your homework for today, that in triangle LMN, line AB is parallel to side MN and it intersect side LM in point A and side LN in point B. Then you have to prove that LA upon AM is equal to LB upon BN. Thank you.